Everyone, in this video we will continue with the further questions of the same exercise 5.2. Okay, see, in previous video we have solved the questions up to question number 5, or we have done question number 6 also. No, the last question we have solved is first bit of question number 5. Okay, see, next question we will do question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. We have to find the 31st term, means n 31st, 31, n is equals to 31. Okay, of the AP. There is some AP whose 11th term is given, which is 38, and 16th term is given, which is 73. See, what we have to find? We have to find an AP first. We have to find what is the series, what is the set of numbers. Then we'll find 31st term. Okay, so let the first term of an AP is A and common difference is D. As we don't know what is the first term and what is the common difference, only we know the 11th term, and one more thing is given, what is 17th term. Okay, see, the nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, where a is first term, n is number of terms, and d is the common difference. Okay, as a11 is given, a11 means 11th term. 11th term is given, 11th term will be given by first term plus n means 11 minus 1 into d. So a11 is equals to a plus, here it is 10 d. Okay, a11 is a plus 10 d, which is 38. Means a plus 10 d is equals to 38 we will have, okay, from the first given condition, which is a11. Now see, here it is, we will get first equation as a plus 10 d is equals to 38, because 11th term can be written as a plus 10 d, which is 38. So this is the first equation in which we have two unknowns, a and d. First term and common difference are unknowns. Okay, and one more thing is given, 16th term, means a16 is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. N is 16 here, so 16 minus 1, a plus 16 minus 1 d, which is a plus 15 d. A16 means 16th term can be written as a plus 15d, and according to question, which is 73. Okay, so a plus 15d is equals to 73 is the second equation. Here a and d, which is first term and common difference, are unknowns. In first equation and second equation, both a and d are the unknowns, that we can say variables. Okay, so we have to find value of a and d by solving these two equations. Okay, see, if you subtract first equation from second, if you subtract first equation is this, and second equation is this. First equation from second, we will get a plus 16d is equals to 73, a plus 10d is equals to 38. We are subtracting, so we'll change the sign. So a minus a will be cancelled out. Now 16d minus 10d is 5d, and 73 minus 38 is 35. Okay, so 5d is equals to 35 we got. Now d is equals to 35 upon 5, as this 5 will be transposed to RHS, so d is 37, means common difference is 37. Common difference we got. Now after getting common difference, we can find first term of the AP. See, if this value of d we put in first equation or second, let us put this in equation number first. Equation number first is a plus 10d is equals to 38. After transposing this 10d to RHS, it will be minus 10d. Okay, so a is equals to 38 minus 10d. Okay, will give us the value of a. So a is equals to 38 minus 70, 10, and d is 70, so 70. Okay, so a is equals to minus 32, means first term of the AP is minus 32. Now what we were asked in the question to find, we have to find 31st term of the AP. Now first term of the AP and common difference of the AP are known, so we can find 31st term of the AP for n equals to 31. Now nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So a31 is equal to a plus 31 minus 1 d. Okay, now first term is minus 32, 31 minus 1 is 30, and d is known to us, which is 7. Okay, so A31 is equals to minus 32 plus 30 into D. A31 is minus 32 plus 30 into D. Here we'll put D is equals to 7. So this will give us 31st term is 178. Now question number 10 of the same exercise. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. See, given condition in the question is that 17th term means A17 is 7 more than is 10th term, means A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Okay, for such case we have to find common difference. See, first of all we'll assume, let first term of the AP is A and D is the common difference of the AP. So according to question, what we have, 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. Okay, so A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Now A17 can be written as using the formula nth term of an AP. First term A plus n minus 1 D. Here n is 17, so 17 minus 1. Okay, A10 can be written as A plus n minus 1D, means 10 minus 1D, and 7 as it is. Okay, so A plus 16D is equals to A plus 9D plus 7. See, plus A we have on both sides of the equation, so it will be cancelled out. Now 16D and 9D, transpose this 9D to LHS. 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. So 7D is equals to 7. So common difference is 1. Okay, we got common difference is as 1, and that the same we were asked to find. Next, see question number 11. Which term of AP is given 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than is 54th term. See, AP is given, so by this given AP we can get what is the first term and what is the common difference. First term and common difference will be will get very easily. Now it is asking which term of the AP will be 132 more than is 54th term. So we need to find first 54th term. After getting the 54th term, we will add 132 in that. Okay, so 54th term plus 132 will be which term of this AP, means we have to find number of terms then. Okay, now see how we will solve this question. As it is given in the question, first term is A and common difference is second term minus first term is 12. A is 3 and common difference is 12 because the given set of number forms an AP. Now we need to find A54th term. 54th term will be A54 is equals to first term plus n minus 1 D. Okay, now A54 is equals to 3 plus this is 53 into 12. So 54th term is 639. Okay, we will get 54th term as 639. Now we have to find the term which is 132 more than this 54th term. Okay, so let an be the term which is 132 more than the 54th term, which is A54, that is nth term. Okay, now an is 54th term plus 132, means 132 more than 54th term. So an is equals to 369 plus 132, which is 771. Now an is known, we have to find the nth term, number of term, means which term is 132 more than this 54th term. So an is 771, A is known, D is known, only n we have to find. Okay, so nth term of an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, which is 771. So 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equals to 771. Now transpose this 3 to RHS, it will become minus 3. So 771 minus 3 is 768. Now n minus 1 into 12 is equals to 768. So n minus 1 is equals to 768 upon 12. We'll transpose this to RHS. So we need to divide it by 12. Now n minus 1 is equals to 64. as we divide 768 by 12, we will get 64. 12 6 ja is 72 and 12 4 ja is 48, so 64. So n minus 1 is equals to 64. So n is equals to 64 plus 1. This minus 1 will be transposed to RHS to become plus 1. So n is equals to 65. Hence 65th term of the AP is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. Next we will see the question number 15th of the same exercise. For what value of n are the nth terms of an 2AP, first AP is this and second AP is this, are equal? Means for which value of n, means what will be the number of terms for which nth terms of the two APs, first AP is 63, 65, 67 and second AP is 3, 10 and 17 are equal. So we have to find n for both the APs. First of all, we'll assume the number of terms for both the APs is n and nth term of both the APs are equal. Let nth term of the AP 63, 65, 67 and so on and 3, 10, 17 and so on are equal. Here this is the first AP and this is the second AP. Okay, so first term of the first AP is A1. Let us write it as A1 is equals to 63 and common difference of the first AP denoted by D1. Okay, because we have two APs, no? So common difference of first AP is D1 and common difference of second AP is D2. Okay, common difference of first AP is 65 minus 63. Second term minus first term, which is 2. Okay, D1. First term, common difference of first AP is D1. Now come to the second AP. First term of second AP is B1 because A2, A3, A4 will write for first AP and B, B2, B3, B4 will write for second AP. So first term of the second AP is B1, which is 3. Okay, and common difference of the APs, common difference of the second AP, which we will write as D2, is 10 minus 3 or 17 minus 10. Second term minus first term or third term minus second term is 7. Common difference of second AP is D2, which is 7. Now according to the question, nth term of the first AP is equals to nth term of the second AP. Nth term of first AP can be written as A1 plus n minus 1D and nth term of the second AP can be written as B1 because first term we have denoted as B1. B1 plus n minus 1 D2 and D2 is the common difference of the second AP. Okay, now first term of first AP is 63, n minus 1, common difference of first AP is 2 is equals to first term of second AP is 3, n minus 1, common difference of second AP is 7. So 63 and this plus 3 will transpose to this side, LHS. So 63 minus 3 and n minus 1, 2 will transpose, n minus 1 multiplied by 2 will transpose to RHS. So see, this is single term. Okay, n minus 1 multiplied by 2 is a single term and it is positive. After transposing it will become negative. Okay, 63 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 minus n minus 1 into 2. This is separate term and this is separate term. Okay, now 60 is equals to, see, in this term also and in this term also we have n minus 1 common. So after taking out n minus 1 common, we will have in bracket 7 minus 2. Okay, see, next 60 is equals to n minus 1, this is into 5. So n minus 1, see, if we transpose this 5 to this side, it will become in division with 60. So n minus 1 is equals to 60 upon 5. Okay, we dividing this 60 by 5 will get 12. So n minus 1 is equals to 12, that is n is equals to 13. After transposing this minus 1 to RHS, it will become 13. Hence 13th term of the given two APs are, two APs we were given. Okay, the 13th term, n we've got 13. Okay, means 13th term of the first AP also and 13th term of the second AP also are same. Okay.